When your fluffy cloud decides the floor is lava but also wants to take the magic carpet for a spin across the living room. Pure feline engineering at its finest.
NANI?!
When your cat works out once and thinks he is the next big fitness influencer. When the ball hits just the right spot.
Ma che non c'ho lavato? Ma che non c'ho lavato?
Stai controllando che sia tutto ok?
Cosa c'è da ridere? Cosa c'è da ridere? Ride perché tu li vuoi tanto bene? Ah, buongiorno anche a te. Cosa ridi? Ridi amore? Ridi perché senti le coccole di Ariel? Oh, sì. Ti vai in lavaggio i piedini.
Living that lazy feline life one long nap at a time. These cats are playing a serious game of tug-of-war with their favorite blanket while their owner watches from behind with a very confused expression. Meet the ultimate undercover operation that literally no one saw coming in this neighborhood. Our calico cat wandered out into the yard today and decided that her current life was simply far too quiet and predictable for her taste. Instead of bringing back a standard mouse or a lucky bird, she somehow managed to infiltrate a secret raccoon headquarters inside a local barn. She emerged with 3 tiny masked bandits like she was finishing a high-stakes grocery run at midnight. Now we have a cardboard box filled with adorable trash pandas and a cat who clearly thinks she is the mother of the year. I am pretty sure she missed the memo about how species work, but honestly, her commitment to this new blended family is impressive. If anyone is looking for a getaway driver or a professional snack thief, these recruits are officially in training right now under the best feline boss.
Ее настороженным шипением, но не убежала, словно понимая, что это помощь для ее подопечных. Убедившись в безопасности, кошка начала одного за другим переносить малышей в новый дом. Когда все трое оказались внутри, она запрыгнула к ним сама и благодарно посмотрела на свою спасительницу. В тот вечер эта необычная семья переехала в тепло, доказывая, что у материнской любви нет никаких границ.
Jewel, and you were successful here. You would be equal leader. Freeze in the game. Obviously, you inherited this category, Ben. So, how are you with French?
I told my cat we were out of treats, but he apparently has a better nose for lies than I do for fish. He did not just find the hidden stash, he staged a full-blown tactical heist right in the middle of my bed. Look at that grip. That is the face of a feline who has transitioned from a domestic pet to a seasoned criminal mastermind. He is currently guarding his prize like a dragon guarding gold, and honestly, I am a little afraid to ask for it back. If I disappear tomorrow, just know the cat finally learned how to open the bag himself.
Mẹ ơi, con chỉ nói con mà mẹ hay làm gì quá trời đi, khốn quá.
Well, this is our Sunday.
When you are fully committed to the festive holiday spirit but your inner soul is still processing the utter audacity of life and the lack of crunchy treats. Living that 9 lives luxury while you are working the 9 to 5.
If this ended up on your For You page, or if somebody sent this to you, there's a message you need to hear.
Di awal 2026, Tiongkok baru saja membuka taman kucing seluas 30.000 meter persegi di tanah yang sebelumnya tidak terpakai. Ini adalah Firefly Harbor di Chongqing, rumah bagi lebih dari 600 anebul yang diselamatkan dari jalanan. Semua kucing sudah disteril dan sehat, bahkan ada area khusus buat kucing disabilitas. Taman ini mengusung model berkelanjutan di mana pendapatannya didapat dari tiket masuk sekitar Rp40.000, penjualan merchandise, dan live streaming, yang nantinya akan digunakan untuk biaya makan, vaksin, hingga perawatan medis mereka. Atau istilah populer di sana, kucing-kucing ini bekerja untuk menafkahi dirinya sendiri melalui interaksi dengan pengunjung. Selain itu, para pengunjung juga bisa mengadopsi kucing di sini. Melalui program taman, pengunjung bisa melihat profil setiap kucing termasuk nama mereka, status adopsi, riwayat medis, berapa lama mereka berada di taman, hingga kisah penyelamatan mereka sejauh ini. Sejak taman ini dibuka, laporan mengatakan sudah ada 50 lebih kucing yang telah mendapatkan rumah baru. Definisi simbiosis mutualisme yang nyata, di mana manusia bisa healing dan para anebul bisa dapat kehidupan yang layak.
Our cute little Peach is officially obsessed with this meal. Head down, zero distractions, just pure focus on the food. If you try to interrupt this serious snacking session, you will definitely be ignored.
Aku tersungkur menunduk meraung, dan tiada siapa bisa merasakan sakitnya.
This cat clearly thought the outdoor life meant luxury camping but realized it is just dirt and dry kibble. Please remember that adopting means forever, not just whenever. I am trying my absolute best to look cute for the camera today, but my grumpy cat clearly did not get the memo and is currently reconsidering every single one of its life choices.
Kita merasa jengkel ya ketika ada kucing yang buang kotoran sembarangan, tempat jadi kotor dan bau. Untuk mengatasinya, kalian semprotkan aja cat training spray. Ini efektif, bisa mencegah dan melatih kucing supaya tidak buang kotoran sembarangan. Cara penggunanya cukup mudah, tinggal disemprotkan aja di tempat-tempat yang biasa dia buang kotoran, baik pada saat dia pup maupun pip, supaya dia tidak kembali buang kotoran di tempat yang sama. Dan ini bisa melatih kucing supaya tidak buang kotoran sembarangan. Cat training spray ini terbuat dari bahan alami sehingga aman buat kitten maupun kucing dewasa.